Quiz 302, Example 2. Mayumi is constructing a line through point M that is perpendicular to line RS. So she places her compass on point P here. To construct an arc, it must be wide enough so the arc intersects RS in 2 points or 2 places. So here she's drawn her whole arc. It intersects at 2 points, and those points are R and S. She places, her compass on point R. To construct an arc, she must open her compass greater than 1/2 of RS. So it has to be greater than 1/2 of the 2 points that were made by the first arc. And then she would make an arc like in this third picture. That's her second arc after she opened it to 1/2. And then she places her compass on point S to construct an arc. The compass opening must be the same as when she constructed her arc centered at point R. And then she makes her final arc.